Hi everyone, welcome back, and today let's answer a question habang naghihintay matapos ang shift for today. So the question is, anong mga positions ang available ngayon? So here at the VA Hub, we're currently looking for full-time and part-time virtual assistant. So for the full-time VAs, yun yung mga nag-render ng 40 hours of work per week. Then for the part-time VAs, sila naman yung nag-render ng 20 hours of work per week. So for the following niches that we offer here in the VA Hub, we have 4 offerings. First one is for the executive VAs. Sila yung mga sa executive task, yung mga bookkeeping, calendar and email management. Yan, basta mga executive tasks, sa kanila pasok yan. Then second niche is for the marketing VAs. Yan, more on of course content creations, layouting and designs. Ayan, sa kanila naman yan. Third niche is for the real estate. So ito naman yung mga property